If you can get successful trading gold, you can make a lot of money very fast. And if you suck at trading gold, you can lose a ton of money very fast. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I would trade gold. Alright, to have a complete cycle or a complete hook, we need 3 highs and 3 lows, provided that the last low is at 86% of the previous leg. Then we can open a good trade. Moreover, here we have low volume spike on 86% of the previous leg, so we open a line trade. To determine the target of this trade, we use symmetrical legs, because usually after a complete hook we have to rally. And if you want to learn how to work with symmetrical legs, watch the previous video carefully. Let's go to the second trade. Okay, here we have 2 flags in a row. Moreover, we have one low volume spike at 114% of the previous leg. After these 2 flags, we have a positive hook or a complete cycle, so we can open another line trade. And to determine the target of this trade, we use symmetrical legs again, because after a complete hook we have to rally. And finally, this is the way I trade with it. So thanks for watching, and if this video was useful for you, please share it with your friends.